Here's how to remove or fix negative consumer affairs reviews. Now this one is actually pretty easy. It's all verified by Google. So once you have somebody who can use a Google account, sign in and leave a positive review, especially if they have a receipt, and do it enough times, you're gonna fix it. That's all it really takes. And this is always our suggestion whenever it comes to a review site. You need to actually dilute the reviews. Unfortunately, you can't remove it. So if you're gonna spend time fighting with the moderators, looking into suing people and deliberating on it for days, you're wasting all of your time. Get on it right now, find people who support your business, and then ask them, okay? Ask them to leave a review. Or if you don't have anybody who's supporting your business, that was the first mistake. You should have found people, put them in a CRM, built that strategic relationship, and then said, hey, leave us a review. This way, whenever something goes wrong, you can take your supporters, set them towards it and fix it. That's what we always tend to do. However, okay, there's a few other methods you can use. What you can do is actually suppress consumer reviews in search results. We use long form articles, we use positive social media, we use a whole host of different options, building even multiple websites for your own brand, building websites with a title, your company reviews in it. That sometimes works. Google is aware of it, but you can get around it as well with the correct FAQ schema, with the right actual plan. But let's say this thing is just hanging front and center. That's what you need to do. You need to either reach out to people individually, which is usually the best way, say, hey, we've had some trouble, there's some malicious reviews here, can you head onto this site, log in with a Google account, and leave us a positive review? It would mean the world to us. You can also incentivize. So if you have a new client, what you can say, or a new customer, you say, hey, we're doing a new promotion, we're doing 20% off, and while we do that, all we're asking for is that you leave an honest review on consumer reviews. So you don't have to say, give us a 5-star review, chances are the person's gonna do it anyway. You give them a discount and treat them well because you know they're gonna go leave a review. They're gonna go and leave a 5-star review, okay? So that's really important. That's also how we don't get in trouble with the Federal Trade Commission. We don't just make up reviews and then publish them and then run away and think that the platform's not gonna catch us. We deliver a real experience. This is the trick, deliver the real experience. Hey, because we're running this promotion, all you gotta do is leave an honest review, okay? Make it quotable, put it in an email, doesn't matter. That person's gonna go and leave you a positive review. Just do that, rinse and repeat, okay? Only focus on that one platform for a while. Once you dilute that platform and make it positive, then you take the attention away from that platform by building different sets of media, different assets, different websites, long form blog posts, guest posting, all these different things under the sun. We do that as well. So I would say, if it's there right now, don't stress it, go fix it, build a plan, and then get back to us. If you need help with consumer reviews, we've worked on dozens of consumer review campaigns. We love to do it. We'll help you out. Click on the link in the description down below. It's called Calendly. That's our booking link. You'll get to arrange a no obligation consultation with myself or a member of our team, and we'd be glad to give you a hand. My name is Nadernejad. This has been a video on online reputation management strategies for consumer reviews. Thank you for watching.